All right, back we go. Another video. It is Tuesday, April 18th. Checking out some of the top movers here. DRMA, 70%. It was probably up over 100% when this happened. They actually announced a closing 5 million public offering. That was at 4:30. And then no, actually 1:15. Wait a minute. March 16th, 1:15, 5 million public offering, then 4:30 again. So I'm not sure what happened with that. Maybe that was the date they announced it. Let me look. The old public offering. This always happens with penny stocks because they're junk. Let me see. Offering price of 309. So it's 309. Let me see what today. So why did they do it again today? Why is it 309? I don't know. They just reiterated on Yahoo Finance. I'm not sure what's going on here, but anyway, it was a public offering. That always happens with penny stocks. Happens a lot of the time. I didn't see any news on this. Finviz has no news, and this thing popped. All right, so what happened here? You had a pop very early, 4:05 a.m., right in the middle here. You have top, bottom. What's it going to do? Let it make its move. Came down. You had one move right here, the triangle, descending triangle. Then you move it over because they tried to go up again. So right here, you have the over under. And then you can put another move right here, sort of a wedge right here. But it's an over under. So this was trying to battle, 275, kept going, went lower to 213. Then we broke out of it right here. This was a nice candle right at 225, made its move way up. On its way up here, and you have 13 over 20 EMA. Just kept going and going. You have a high cross here. Looked like that could have been the move, but it came back. These three red candles came close to 13 EMA, and we bounced again. Look at this. You have a big hammer candle, and finally put in a big red candle here. But that's after, made a run from where 213 to, basically 393, 392. Yeah, that's a nice little move there. Now you're looking for like sell signals where, well, this is a big candle. Didn't have anything like this. These candles are pretty big, but there's no follow through after that. You got to let it follow through, and there was nothing. Then it came down. You have more red candles here. Then it starts to go through that 1320 EMA. See the bend here? Once you sort of have the crossover, it's really going down at this point. Then we try to stay above 310, 313, came down again, another candle. Then we fade it. Then you fade it down all the way to 262 after hour. So this was a pre-market trade. What was the volume on this? You had enough volume, 186,000, 105,000. You had good enough volume to trade. Pre-market's always tricky because, sometimes it's just not as liquid, but biggest candle here, you had two. You had 4.4 million, then you had 8 million. So it's huge candles here. So this is like a front side pyramid. You have front side and then back side. You can go all the way down pretty close. So sometimes the moves pre-market, sometimes it's after hours. You see that a lot. Sometimes it's midday, at the open, lunchtime. There's all different times you see breakouts and stocks pulling back. So this was it here. If you're watching this, pre-market, this was on your list. There's a nice move up. Then you could have shorted it and pretty much all the way down. So you played both sides of this. On a 10-minute, see all the way from yesterday, actually, this 13 EMA was above. Interesting. Then it came down. Then it was holding tight, but draw your line right here. Never get over that. And it was a short. On the daily charts, it says pretty much garbage stock. This has been reverse split. Let me see here. You have one here. Probably, we look at the monthly. Yeah, this has been around since August 31st, 2021. Look at the downtrend. You have reverse split. It's just going down and down. $2 million market cap, 0.61 million shares to float. So it's so tiny of a float here. What do they do exactly? Clinical stage medical dermatology company focuses on identifying, developing, commercializing pharmaceutical products, candidates, treatment of medical aesthetic skin conditions. They have a phase two. It's a phase 2B. Also developing DMT410. They have a few things going on here. So you can see though, a lot of these pharma companies too, these little small caps are all garbage. They keep reverse splitting. Low flow, something good happens, any kind of news will pop. Although I didn't see news on this. So, there you have it though. The chart doesn't lie either. You always look, if there's no news, be careful because they could just dump it easily. It could be a lot of chat rooms get involved, Discord rooms, traders, all kinds of day traders, just start momentum and it's just extremely low float. That's why it popped. All right, so that's it on DRMA. Please subscribe to Mike Game and Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Appreciate it. And TikTok, Mike Game and Trades, any other social media. Leave any comments on this stock or any other stocks. That's it. Peace.